over how to draw a T-Rex blocks fruit, okay? So let's go through this step by step. It's going to be easy, okay? So, and for beginners, so let's do it. Going to go right over here, and I'm going to start with a kind of line up this way for kind of a horn, right? That is, something that's, carefully watched. We got this horn over here. Up over there, the other end of the horn. Down right here. Got that horn shape. We want to draw like the horn kind of hooking in right there. That's really important. You want to feel like it's embedded in there. All right. Gonna go over here, line across right there. We're gonna angle downward right here as the spikes go down, and down below right there, just a bit. Gonna pull up over here for a spike in the middle. And up over here. By the way, this was a request. So if you have a request to make, I will most likely do it. So comment a request that you want to see, a drawing lesson on, and I will do it. So absolutely do that. I am very reachable. Alrighty. Down right there. Across. He's got this like little antenna looking thing at the top right there in the middle. Check mark on one side. Check mark on the other. Up over here, down. Up over here, down. Across, down right there. Let's go over here on this side. That line keeps going back right there. And then we're going to have little lines right there. Let's go over here now. Cross over there. Cross over there, and then we're going to angle them forward. Line over here. Kind of looks a little bit complicated, but don't worry. Overall, it's just like a square, right? He's literally a block. We're going to pull out over here on this side. So we want to make sure that these lines right here kind of meet up. So I'm trying to be careful right there. So like in your mind's eye, it's going behind that horn. Let's go over here and do the front. It's going to make it a lot easier. Let's go over here, the horn, curve up, down, in, line. Over here on this side, curve line over here, down right there. Out over here on this side, because this is a face on the front, right, of this character. So down right there, like kind of the zygomatic arch right here. By the way, I mean like cheekbone. Up right there. Gonna go over here, down, up, down for the center, over here, down, up, over there. Over here on this side, circle. Over here on this side, circle. Circle right there for one nostril, circle for the other. We're doing good. We can fill this in right there, fill in those nostrils. Do a dot right here for one eye, dot for the other eye. And then we can fill in the area around it. That's a little bit risky, but we will do that. Don't forget to check out all the cool stuff in the description. There's a free cute drawing ebook, a free Godzilla ebook, a free head drawing ebook. There's a lot of that stuff on both the Gumroad and just the regular portion of it. Just the the cute drawing ebook. But go pick that stuff up. That stuff is free right now, but it's not always going to be free. So take advantage of it right now by going into the description and checking it out. All right, let's go down right here, angle underneath, and then we're gonna angle back and then pull up just a little bit right here. Let's go over here on this side, curve up, line over here on the side right there. We have another horn coming out of its side, right, which is very fascinating. Gonna go over here, it's gonna curve down right here, down, up, down right there, and pull in. All right. Curve line in, curve over here, curve in. And now what I want to do is I want to create a thicker line on the outside of this. But we are going to put more detail in there. Like I said, we're almost done. If you have to rewind, absolutely do that. So we got a line over here. And I'm thinking of just the outside, you know, shadow, the outside area. Like, think of it like a silhouette. Where would that be, that line? See, so even like stuff like there, you can draw a little line right there. All right, continue to go over here down below. Downward. We'll put a line right there to show that that's like the edge of the block. And now what we're going to do right here with this character is we're going to draw a little dot. So a little circle right there. 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 Circle right here. And over here, like so. Line down, in. Line down over here. And that is mostly it. If you want, you can throw in like, maybe there's a little bit of shadow right here in the middle, but you don't really have to do that. But if you really want, you can maybe throw like a little line right there. So the rest of it, since we're dealing with like a block, right? You can throw maybe like a little super thin line to kind of show the angles of the character off, because the character is kind of is a block, right? So that is something that you want to account for when that's occurring. But yeah, that is pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. Sharing is caring. That's the best free way to kind of give it back to the channel, is to share the video with a friend or share it on social media. Anything helps. That's pretty much kind of the best thing you could ever do, honestly. Like, I'd be very honored. But yeah, I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. What I want to do is I want you to stay there, because we're going to go through another drawing lesson right now, okay? Let's go through another drawing lesson. We're going to start really soon, so let's get started right about now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.